Morning everyone. My name is Shrishti Saran Srivastava and my team member is Tripti Verma. We are here to present our final year project. Our topic is loan approval prediction using machine learning algorithms. We have done this project under the supervision of Mr. Sachin Jain, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, ABS Institute of Technology, Ghaziabad, affiliated to Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Technical University.
So, as we know, with the advent of the banking sector, more and more people are applying for loans from banks, but the bank has its own limited assets that should be only offered to a few people. So, finding out who can lend to someone will be a very safe way for the bank. After taking multiple security measures and analyzing the loan applicant data, loan approval decisions are not always correct. There is a need for automation in this process so that loan approval process are less risky and cause less bank losses. This project aims to automate the process, thus helping to reduce time and energy and make the process more efficient. We have built a predictive model to predict if an applicant is able to get the loan or not using various machine learning algorithms. We have used decision tree, random forest, logistic regression, and support vector machine.
We went through various research papers. Some of them are titled Predictive Loan Approval Model Using Logistic Regression by Behera AP in the year 2021. They did data cleaning and processing, then exploratory analysis, and finally model building and evaluation. The best accuracy on public test set is 81.8%. The second is analysis of loan availability using machine learning techniques by Sharayu Dosalvar in the year 2021. They achieved the highest accuracy from the logistic regression model. On the data set, the best case accuracy attained 78.5%. Then predictive loan approval in banking system using ML by Amrita S. Afale in the year 2021, they implemented neural network discriminant analysis, logistic regression, decision tree, naive-Bayes, k-nearest algorithm, and concluded that apart from naive-Bayes, each algorithm obtained an accuracy of 76 to 80%. Modern approach of loan sanctioning in banks using machine learning by Rath, GB, Das D, and Acharya B in the year 2021, they applied ML algorithms like decision tree, random forest, logistic regression, and support vector machines. Design and stimulation of loan approval prediction model using AWS platform by Ram Chandra. In the year 2021, they used algorithms like decision tree, logistic regression, and random forest. Logistic regression confusion matrix analysis gives the best result of 86% with minimum error.
So, our proposed work is we have collected a set of data containing details of loan applicants like gender, marital status, loan amount, education, annual income are collected, developed, and analyzed using appropriate analysis strategies. We must verify all requirements and details such as income, address, identification, and documents, among others. The system then determines whether the customer is eligible to repay the loan or not. Here we have two data sets. First is training data set and test data set. This is done through Python imported libraries such as Panda, NumPy, Matplotlib, Seaborn. The data was collected from Coggle.
First, the input is given, then the data is processed, the data is collected. The training data set, there are two types of data set, test data set and training data set. On the training data set test, various machine learning algorithms are implemented and then the model is trained. From there, the accuracy is obtained. After the implementation, the results concluded from our model is the prediction accuracy, which comes out to be 79.67% by applying logistic regression, 71.54% by applying decision tree, 73.51% by applying support vector machine, and 75.13% by applying random forest algorithms. Among four, the accuracy of logistic algorithms is best for prediction of loan, which is 79.67%.
After a thorough screening and validation process, loan businesses issue loans. They don't know for sure whether the applicant will be able to repay the loan without problem though. As a result, we can see that relying just on the CIBIL score to assess a borrower's credibility is inaccurate. Borrowers who do not own a home and apply for a small company or a wedding loan, for example, may face a bad combination that leads to a default on the loan. Data collection, test data analysis, data pre-processing, model design, and model testing are analytical processes that participate in building this program. The model is trained to produce results with satisfactory accuracy, after which it produces accurate results about whether the borrower should be loaned out or not.
There are various graphs which we obtained from by applying matplotlib library of Python, which shows more number of males are eligible than females. The people who are married are more than the people who are not married. The unmarried people apply for less loans. The graduates apply for loans more than the non-graduates, and the employed people do not apply for loans as compared to the uh, non-self-employed people. Here are the few references. Uh, Thank you. Now we would like to show our project. Here we have